She usually blanked to the office by 8 a.m., but today she was late. Comes, came, has come, coming. Baka may malito sa inyo kasi merong was dito. So baka isipin, came dapat kasi past tense. Pero look, ang sentence na to, merong dalawang clauses kasi siya. So yung she usually blanked to the office by 8 a.m. Tapos yung today she was late. So ito, iba dito. Okay? Itong was, konteksto yan nito. At itong blank na hinahanap natin, ang keyword natin dito is yung usually. So kahit pa dun sa kabilang clause merong was, hindi natin siya papakialaman. Kasi ang dapat tinitignan natin yung clause na nagbibigay konteksto dun sa nawawalang verb tense natin. In this case, yun nga, yung usually na still nagsasabi na ang action na to ay habitual. Hence, the answer should be in the simple present. And again, formula ng simple present is base form. For plural nouns and pronouns ay you, we, they. At verb plus s or es naman kapag singular nouns at pronouns he, she, it. Meron tayo ditong she as our subject. Ang gagamitin natin yung plus s. So, comes ang tamang sagot. She usually comes to the office by 8 a.m. but today she was late.